Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to join the 99 Nights in the Forest Discord server. Now if you try searching it up on Discord, you will not find it. What you just need to do is open up your browser, go to Google, type in a 99 Nights in the Forest Discord server. Then scroll down until you see this one right here, discord.do, okay? Open this link in a new tab. And once this loads up, I just want you to go ahead and scroll down until you see join Discord server. Okay, this is the icon they have right now. So just click on this, you can close the ad you get, and it would redirect you to this invite link. Okay, you can go ahead and paste this in to your Discord as well. But then let's go ahead and wait for this to redirect us. And there we go. This is it. 99 Nights in the Forest has about 54,000 members right now. Just go ahead and click on accept and you will basically join the Discord server. All you need to do is now go through the verification process and then you will be fully in. And as you can see, now we need to link our Roblox account and then we can continue with that process. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.